Okay, good people. This is day 4 of daily Python test, and we're checking for statuses today. We're going to be given today's challenge is we're going to be given a dictionary, and we're going to check within this dictionary for the people who are online, and we'll return that value as an integer here. So it's just going to be a dictionary that we pass into our function, create a function. That function takes in the dictionary, and then we return the number of people who are online in that dictionary. So very easy. Let's get to it. We're going to be using two methods today. So at any point of the video, pause when you see the first method, use it, test it out, and then yeah, check the second method too, because this is like a one-liner. It's going to be really easy getting this out. So let's get started. So first off, find our function. This is def. Then our function is to be called online count. So let's just put that here. Online count. And online count takes in a dictionary. And for the record, we don't have to call this dictionary. You can call it whatever. In fact, let's call it status. Now let's call it that. And then now let us, all we'll do here is we simply return the value as a list, and then we'll say statuses. That's we're simply converting whichever dictionary is passed into here into a list so that we can count it. But this list isn't going to be the entire thing. We don't need the keys, we only need the values, meaning we don't need the names, we only need these statuses. So say statuses dot values, and then this dot value is a method that dictionaries have. So we can just pass it statuses dot value and then count, then check which one are we counting. We're counting only the values that are equals to 9. So that's all. This is definitely going to post what we want. Now again, I said you can pause the video, test this out. But we're running a challenge here, so I won't be able to show you the second method if I run this one. I'm not sure, but I don't. Now let us check the second method. Method 2. We're going to leave all this because we still need our function and we still need our statistics passed. But then we're going to tweak this a little bit. We'll take all this out. This time we're just going to make it a bit more complicated, and we're going to use this sum function that is built into some class that is built into Python. We're going to say sum for status this the value, and sorry, it's supposed to be values. Then if status is online. I just did this for the pros in our midst, people who know more about Python and you want something juicier. Yeah, this is for you guys. But you don't need to stress out with this. You already have that first method, so I use this called type excess code. But let me just explain what this does. Yeah, what we're doing is passing into some class, say this is just for the loop. This is just a for loop to loop all the values in the dictionary that is passed and check if the status, that's because we say for status in statuses, yes. So if the status is online, that means if the value of this is online, that's when it's looping through, then it should add it here, and then whatever the comes out as, that's what is going to pass here, just like we have two here. So let's run our code. Sorry, yeah, ta-da, we're done. So remember to like, subscribe, blah blah blah, and meet us tomorrow. Keep coding. Bye.